We welcome you to this new Arabic course. Hadha. We are learning Hadha. What is Hadha, brother? Most of you know the meaning. What is it? This. Hadha means this. What is Hadha? It is a demonstrative pronoun, which means it's a noun. Are you with me? Okay. In Arabic, we call it Ismu Ishara. We call it Ismu Ishara. Okay? Ishara. Now, these are the sentences, simple sentences we are studying. What is the first? Hadha baytun. What is it? Hadha baytun. Now, normally, when you speak, you do not say baytun, you say hadha bayt. Just like in Quran, when you stop, you give a sukoon. But for our course, we will repeat dun, dan, din, we will repeat because we want to understand properly. So you will always be reading Hadha baytun. Hadha baytun. Now tell me, brother and sister, what is the translation? This is a house. Indefinite. Indefinite. This is a house. Okay. See, it is pronounced like Hadha. But this alif is not written. It is explained in the key also. No, but you said in English that this is a house. Okay. I see this here, Hadha. I see a house here, baytun. I don't see anything similar to is in Arabic. What about is? So what is? We go to English grammar. Is, are, and am, these are linking verbs. In English, we call it copula. Copula verbs. Brothers and sisters? They link one noun with another noun. Okay? Or it links the subject with the other noun. Okay? They are called linking word in English. But in Arabic, they are not there. Hadha kalamun, we only said two words. This, a pen, but you will translate, this is a pen. Hadha masjidun. Okay? And the next word, Hadha babun. Okay? What is the next word? Hadha miftahun. Hadha maktabun. Hadha sarirun. Hadha kursiyun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? But now you got to memorize the vocabs. Okay, inshallah. Now we come to the next page. What is written there? Maa Hadha. Ma is used for asking question. It means what? There is a name in it, but we won't go in detail right now. Later on, we will go in detail and learn all the names that are for the nouns and the particles for asking question later on, inshallah. Okay. So when you ask a question, you say Maa Hadha. Ma means what? Hadha means this. What this? No, but it is what is this? Because the copula verbs are not in Arabic. Okay, linking verbs are not there. Maa Hadha. What is the answer? Hadha baytun. This is a house. What is this? This is a house. Hadha baytun. This is a statement. This is a house. How do I change that into a question? By just putting Hamza. What will you say now? Ahaza baytun. But then you will have to put a question mark. And you have to even change your tone. Ahadha baytun. No, you are asking a question. So your tone has changed. Is this a house? Is this a house? So this putting Hamza in front of a statement, change it into a question. Are you with me? No other changes. Just by putting Hamza in front of a sentence, you change into a question. Huh? Are you with me, brothers? Okay. And what is the answer? Na'am. What is the answer? Na'am. Okay? Or if it is negation, you will say la. Okay, brother, what is na'am and la? What are they? Are they nouns? Are they verbs? What are they? It's a harf. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. And what is la? Harfu jawab. Okay, brother? You use here. This is also particle. Okay? But ma is ism. Now, I am only telling you, you want to write it down, you write it down. I do not expect you to know it by tomorrow. I don't expect you. Brother. But slowly, this thing will really make a lot of sense to you. When we do later on in book 3, detailed analysis of everything, then these things will come back to you. Maa Hadha, what is this? Hadha qamisun. Remember, we got to pronounce it. Qamisun. Okay, brother? Hadha sarirun. La. Hadha kursiyun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Hadha kursiyun. Okay. Again, what is la? It's a particle. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. Okay. Hadha miftahun. La. Hadha qalamun. Hadha qalamun. Okay. Maa hadha. Hadha najmun. The pictures are there, so it's easy, but I hope you will put little time and memorize the vocabs. Inshallah, it will help you.